Jamaica has been drawn in Group H of the 2025 CONCACAF Under-17 men's qualifiers following the draw which took place in Miami on Thursday morning. Jamaica will play against El Salvador, the Cayman Islands and St. Lucia in the group phase of the tournament, which is a qualification to the now annual FIFA Under-17 World Cup. On the round-robin play or after round-robin play, where each team will face each other once in the group, the 8 group winners will qualify directly to the FIFA Under-17 World Cup. The first edition of the CONCACAF Under-17 men's qualifiers under the new format will take place between February 7 and 16, 2025. With action in the round of 32 of the Issa da Costa Cup set to kick off on Saturday, there seems to be some concerns about how teams were placed in the various groups. Garfield Jones tells us more.
How comes? A question being asked by principal of Manchester High School, Jasford Gabriel. Gabriel was seeking answers to a number of questions in relation to the second round zoning of the Issa da Costa Cup football competition. He presented what he deemed clear and unfair advantages to one particular school.
13 second place teams are in the round of 32, or were at this time. And only 3 teams, including Stets in Zone E, have 2 home games. These 3 teams could easily have played on neutral venues so that we reserve the privilege of only the zone winners getting 2 home games. It gets even worse. Of the 8 groups in the round of 32, the group with Zone E winner is the only group with 2 second place teams and a third place team comprising the 4 teams.
According to Gabriel, there are some glaring tweaking of the rules to give St. Elizabeth technical home advantage in the second round of the competition.
Further, in the zoning of the 32, the alphabetical sequence of winners is inexplicably broken to apparently insert Zone E winners in a privileged place. Why do I say that? Look in the manual. Group 1 has the winner of A. Group 2 has the winner of B. Group 3 has the winner of C. The natural sequence, Group 4 that should have the winner of D. Group 4 has the winner of E. That to me is inexplicable. I cannot get an explanation as to how the winner of Zone E ended up there in the sequence.
He went on to say that he has had dialogue with the chairman of the Da Costa Cup, Linvern Wright, competitions coordinator Ewan Scott, and the president of Issa, Keith Wellington. He says no positive conclusions have come out of those discussions.
I've asked the organization for some explanations and answers to the questions and the concerns that I've just raised. For example, what was the process that led to the qualifiers from Zone E, including the school led by the president, ended up in such an advantageous position? It must be of concern that higher ranked teams from the previous ranking exercise did not enjoy the same privilege.
He's making an appeal to the leadership of Issa to have his stated concerns addressed so as not to compromise the integrity of the competition.
I'm here arguing for the leveling of the playing field for all the schools involved so that there can be transparency as we continue to seek to change the lives of these young men, because everyone is looking on and it is sending a message one way or another.
The round of 32 kicks off on Saturday, where Stets will be in action against Garvey Marseille at Stets. Garfield Jones for TVJ Sports.